Hello, everyone. How's your day going? Mine's been good. Um, so this is a terrible day for Jamaica, with all this terrible news about Melissa. It's actually still in its strengthening phrase. So yeah, um, it's going to be really crazy. Unfortunately, Jamaica's really gonna need to watch out for this one. This is definitely up there on severity. So if you guys are just joining, well, we're here for part 2 of Hurricane Melissa. Like I said, I'll go live if this went above 175, no, above 156 miles per hour, and it's 175. So yes, we're definitely going live today. I'm gonna go live till like 5 o'clock probably, and then I have to go to my bowling league. So yeah. This is definitely crazy storm. One of the craziest I've seen in a while. Milton was also crazy too. That was 180 miles per hour. This is basically 180. It's 175. So that's not cool. Um, so we're just waiting for a new update to come out from the NHC, but we can still look at recon data, the eye temperature data. We can look at a lot of things that'll help us to make sure if this hurricane is strengthening or it's weakening. Right now, it's definitely strengthening. These pink bands, we're actually getting some more hot towers. Actually, let me go on we can look at whatchamacallit, here we go. No, that's not it, that's not it. We want to look at the, true color. This tells us if it's clear in the eye or not. Let me zoom in. This will really tell. Yeah, that's really, look at this is the eye. It's really clear. It's literally clear in that eye. There's like no clouds, maybe a few puffy clouds, but that's it. This storm is insanely bad, and you can clearly see it. There's a couple hot towers forming too. So that's what we need to watch out for too. So, if we go back on the guys, if you're just joining, we're looking at Hurricane Melissa live. Sorry for this big bulge. Um, Hurricane Melissa is a terrible storm. Um, it has winds so strong that it's causing terrible issues for a lot of people. Um, if you haven't known already, this is 175 miles per hour. Terrible storm. Absolute terrible storm. Um, this is one of a kind. Terrible storm. One of the worst I ever seen, personally. It's really bad. Like, really bad. So yeah, let me just get the page loaded up. Yeah, if you guys are just trying to look at Hurricane Melissa, where is that? Let me search up, hold on. Sorry for the moment. Eye temperature. Temperature. Hey guys, if you guys are just joining, we're looking at Hurricane Melissa live. I really don't know what's going on. Hold on. Eye temperature, Melissa. Alright, so obviously I don't know what's going on. Some things don't work, unfortunately. So, yeah. Hi, Joyce Graham. Welcome back again. We're looking at Hurricane Melissa and its terrible impacts. Stay tuned, guys, and we can see if the new update's strong or it's kind of weak. Right now, it's definitely strong. There's a couple hot towers forming, so we need to be prepared for that, too. So, yeah. The NHC has us at 100, and that's way old. That's way old. Here we go. 175 miles per hour. Terrible storm. 3 miles per hour. It's moving. It's moving northwest. So it's moving north now, a little bit at least. That's a terrible thing, though, because this is going to hit Jamaica very shortly in the next couple days. Pop's watching too, he said hi. Oh, hi. This is very bad. We can see there's an eye merger going on. Actually, I don't know. But we can see there's 2 eye walls, and it looks like it kind of just defeated itself. Which is terrible, because this could strengthen even more. Hold on, let me actually put this up a bit. There we go. So look at that Hurricane C. Here's the eye merger. We have one eye, this is the outer eye wall, this is the inner eye wall, and they sort of merge and create a bigger storm. But technically right now, it kind of defeated itself. Because look, it happens a couple times, but this time it doesn't really have that. So it kind of defeated itself, which means it's getting stronger, because it literally, it's crazy. I don't really know how to explain it, but it's really bad, guys. Take action if you live in Jamaica or around it. Cuba, we have Bahamas, Bermuda. This is gonna move up into possibly St. John's, Canada. I don't know yet. That's way out in the future. But right now we're gonna mainly focus on Jamaica, Cuba, and Bahamas. So it's just terrible. This is terrible news. Alright, if you're just starting to watch, we're looking at Hurricane Melissa. One of the worst storms in a while. Since last year, we had a Hurricane Milton. Yeah. Wow, guys, look at this. This is terrible. Wow. This is not cool. So, whatever you're doing, Melissa, please stop. It's inappropriate. We need to be serious. This is terrible. Thank you all for watching. We actually hit my biggest amount of people watching yesterday. So, yeah, let's see if we can do that again. Right now we're at 3 people, so it's not a lot, but maybe as we go on the stream, it'll get more. We can see here that, that this storm is actually moving more west now. It looked like it was moving north. Now it's moving more west over the past couple scans. So, yeah, this storm is insanely bad. So definitely take your safe spots if you live near Jamaica. So yeah. How's y'all day going today? Mine's doing pretty good. Oh my god. Alright, alright, there you go. Yes, definitely stay tuned for this hurricane. This is a dangerous, deadly hurricane. I really hope we can see new recon data soon. I really hope we can. If we can't, then that's okay. But there it is. This is the deadly storm. Terrible, terrible, terrible storm. What is the eye temperature? I'm just curious. Hi guys. We have a couple more people joining here. We're looking at Hurricane Melissa. It's a terrible storm. Absolute terrible in nature. It's not cool. It is very round, very strong storm. Nothing blocking its way. This is terrible storm. Really bad storm. Like, very bad storm. Look at this. Perfect eye, perfect everything. The hurricane models are a bit behind. They're showing a 920 millibar. It's a 905. So, yeah. So that's kind of, they're behind, unfortunately. Oh, hopefully they can get up to date soon. So, if you guys are just joining, we're looking at Hurricane Melissa. A very, very powerful storm. Like, very powerful. Wow, the eye is 290 Kelvin, which is very, very strong. I don't know what's going on with my phone. It keeps going in between blurred, not blurred, blurred, not blurred. So we're just gonna have to deal with that, I guess. But look at this storm, dude. This storm is insane. If we go on Geo, hopefully we can see if there's a hot tower. But let's look at Recon real quick. 915. No, there's no way. This is way stronger than 915. Probably 901 or 902. Oh, again, we're just gonna have to wait till we see. Yeah. Let's just look at some hurricane. Whoa. This is at an 897 by 5. Let's see if that actually happens. I highly doubt it. But Jamaica, you're in it. You're going to be in it very soon. 909 millibar when it hits. 170 mile an hour winds possible. Moves up into Bermuda too, I think. Let's see. Yeah, this one shows it directly hitting Bermuda, unfortunately. That's terrible. Then this moves out into open waters. It's just going to weaken. That's crazy. 897. There's no way that's going to get 897. I mean, it could, but even this one shows it 902. That's low. Yeah. So we're not going to be talking about the coastal storm today up in New England because this is obviously way more important. Because of its severity. So there it is again. Look at this. Look at this. This is very strong. We actually have more bands forming now. It's very strong, guys. You need to take action if you live in Jamaica, seriously. Like, literally right now. Leave the island if you can. If you can't, then board up your homes. Do everything. You're expecting like 30 inches of rain. 160 mile an hour winds. An absolute deluge of rain. Terrible. Literally not cool. We're just waiting for the new update to come out. It's gonna be a little while, but yeah. There's a lot of factors that have to go in here in order for this to be above 160 miles per hour. So yeah, look how round this is. We have more banding forming here. There's a little bit of, I don't know if this is shear, but it could also be the merger. So we're just going to have to watch out. So yeah. This is terrible. Why can't I move this? I need to get a new computer. This is really bad. Anyways. Yeah, look at this. We got a new band forming right over it too. That's terrible. So yeah. This is terrible. Again, actually, this is just gonna be a quick update. I have to go to bowling soon, so we're probably not gonna be live till the update comes out. It also depends how much people watch this, too. So if there's over 20, then we'll continue. But right now we're only at 5, so that's a bit bad. But yeah. Send this to your friends so we can get people to see this too. That'll be cool. Yeah, this is not a good looking storm. Look at the eye wall. It's getting really strong. It's getting way stronger than a lot of people anticipated. Unfortunately. We can see here that this storm is getting really strong. It keeps moving up, down, like, also, too. Yeah, hi, Joyce Graham, how's your day? Yeah, this is terrible. This is really bad. The high temperatures are really warm, which is a bad sign for, weakening, so this is not good. This is terrible news. Yeah, this looks like it's strengthening even more, too, unfortunately. So yeah, this is not good at all. I don't know how to share this. Well, just text your friends and send it to some people too. But again, we're probably gonna get off the live soon. I have a lot of things to do too. But you guys can use weatherwise.com to track this too. It also depends how much people are going to watch this stream, because if we get, like, less than any people, then there's no point of streaming too, so. Yeah, this is terrible. Yeah. Thank you guys for joining too. This is crazy. There's the IR satellite again. Very strong. Look at, very strong. The eye is getting smaller, which is a bad sign. So we really need to watch out. So sorry, I have a soft throat today. Yeah. Oh my god. Yeah, and my dog's barking, so. Yeah, hello guys. So we're looking at Hurricane Melissa. Look at the eye. Take a look at this. This is very strong. One of the strongest I've seen in a long time. Look at that eye. It's becoming more round and more round. And smaller, too, it looks like. Well, we just went from 27 people to 5. What the heck? Whatever. So here's the model. 100 to 150 mile an hour winds. So that's pretty terrible. Again, this storm is crazy. Hit the 3 dots in the right corner to share. Oh, okay. Yeah, I didn't know how to share this. But yeah. Look, this storm is terrible. Look, the eye structure is so strong. It's like, hi, Mr. Talk Show Land. How's your day going today? So, this is very strong. I have no words. Like, look how round, like, this eye is. It's so strong. The eye temperature is so warm, meaning that the storm can intensify even more. So, I can't find any good news, unfortunately. So we're just gonna have to deal with that. Really hope people will be safe. Yeah, we really need people to be safe. Like, look at this. It's like it's getting stronger on the eastern side. The western side, it does have a little bit problems, especially on the southwest side. Okay, yeah. This is very strong. Very strong. If we look at this is also a really nice tool. This also tells us how, if there's clearing or strengthening, too. Right now, it's clearing up a lot. So, this is another thing we need to watch out for. No wind shear, no nothing. Literally. We do have some more convective bands on the southern side, too. So, yeah. Alright, I think we are going to go live for longer because a lot more people are joining, so it just takes a little while. Like 20 minutes. Yeah, look at this. This is crazy. This storm is intensifying to its max. It's probably not even at its max yet. Yeah, this is 290 Kelvin, which means it's like 70 degrees, so that's terrible. What a difference. It's 100 degrees temperature in Kelvin from the eye to the... That's pure chaos, guys. I hate to tell you that. If you're just joining, we're looking at Hurricane Melissa. A very strong, I don't know why I keep forgetting, catastrophic hurricane. So yeah. We need people to stay safe, too. So this is really strong. Look at the eyes, perfectly circular. The water vapor's eye. I shared it. Oh, thank you so much for sharing it. Look at this. This is also another great thing. We can see the size there's some hot towers forming too. So that's really bad news too. I really want to see the eye temperature. but I can't figure out a website. This is why this is terrible. And my, freaking thing can't focus, so this is kind of hard to. Can I, like, I can't find it. I don't know where to find the eye temperature. Oh my god. Maybe we can see it in here, maybe. I can't even see it in here either. What the heck? Sorry guys, just hold on. Hunker down for a second. I can't really find the, things that are going on in this. Maybe this has it? Right here, let's see. Well, the eye temperature, according to this, has gone up. Like, crazily. And then, wow. That's the millibars. So this is pure, this is not what I was looking for, but I can't find it. I don't know where to find it. That's the problem. Because it would tell us really where, like, it is. Right now, it's 9:15. I think it's way... Sorry for that, guys. I don't know what's going on with my voice. It hurts. 9:15 millibar. It's probably 9:02. So, don't believe... They're probably going around again, so... Look at that. That's crazy. Did we get any new Yes, we got new convection down here. That's why the new hot tower formed. Okay. Good to know. We're still waiting for a new update in here. I don't know what's going on with this phone. Let's zoom out. Yeah, let's zoom out. That's better. This is catastrophic too. Oh, yep, I think we got a new update. Right? No, we didn't. Oh my god, this is pain in the butt. Because we're just gonna have to wait again, unfortunately. But, yeah. Holy crap! But there's that storm. Look at the southern Iowa has convection really high, too. So, we need to watch out for that. Yeah, this is bad. I do have to end the stream soon, though, because I have to go somewhere, too. Oh, wait, we got a new one. Okay. Ooh, the eye is really circular. Wow. Just wow. Wow, look at it. Looks like there's more bands wrapping around it now. That's bad news. It's heading north. Not quite yet. It's still heading minorly to the west over the past couple frames. Actually, maybe due west now. Almost. I feel like the eye is getting smaller and smaller. Look. Just by looking at it, it looks like it's getting smaller and smaller. And that's not good, because it can strengthen, too. You gotta remember that. This is a bad storm. Yeah, I'll probably have to go in 6 minutes, guys, unfortunately. I have a bowling league, too, to get to. So, yeah, we'll definitely go live another time for the coastal storm, too. But, yeah, you can see here that the storm is definitely more convective than it was a little while ago. You can even see it got darker. Which is bad news. We don't want that news. Very crazy storm, too. Yeah, if you guys have any questions, ask me. We have a little bit time left before I do have to go. But, yeah. So, yeah. Yeah, also, I talked too much yesterday. So, I might just have to leave soon, too. So, But yeah, look, that's new banding right there too. So I need to watch out for that. This is really strong. Like, really, really strong. We can see Jamaica's starting to get hit by the outer rain bands now, but the main band is down here. No, yesterday was great information. Yeah, just my voice hurts from yesterday, so I might just need to take a day break. You know? I mean, there's not anything too surprising right now other than the storm. But yeah, it's still crazy though. Like, this eye is shrinking and getting stronger. Yeah. But this was just a little update. This was meant to be. Unless we get over like 30 people, then we'll like go through like the whole 30 minutes of waiting. But I kind of streamed at a more rough time. It's a Monday too. A lot of people watch my Sunday and Saturday streams, so. But yeah, this is definitely strong. Thanks for the update. Yeah, you're welcome. Wow, this is a big storm. I can't look at the thing. I don't. Alright, forget it. It's fine. You don't need to see eye temperature right now, I guess. But yeah, look at that. That's crazy. If you guys have any more questions, comment down below because I do have to go soon. So, hope you guys are enjoying the stream so far. Always good to hear your perspective. Thank you so much. We got any recon data? Not yet, ma'am. Wait, I can't find the eye temperature. But that's alright. That's fine. What about analysis tools? No, it doesn't have it in there. Satellite imagery? What about Dvorak? Yeah, look how clear it is. It's gotten small, though. Like, real small. Yeah, it's clear. Like, very clear. Just not good at all. Florida is in the line of the storm. No. Thankfully, no. If this continued west, maybe, but it's starting to move more north. So we're gonna be fine after all, alright? There's like 0% chance of hitting the USA now, so you don't need to worry about that. Yeah, it looks like there's more convective banding on the eastern side now, rather than the west. It's very strong, though. Still catastrophic. Let me see if I can update this. Still praying for Jamaica? Yeah, we still need to. Because it's still heading directly towards Jamaica. Yeah, look at this convective band right here. Alright, guys, I do have to leave now. But, please take the storm seriously. If you want to see this weather, head to WeatherWise and NationalHurricaneCenter.com. That'll tell you the real, like, problems. Alright? Have a great day, everyone. See you later. Thanks, yeah. Bye, guys.